Here's how to make Keto Oreo Chaffles. For the chaffles, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons Swerve confectioners, sugar substitute, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. Preheat a mini waffle maker. Add the ingredients for the chaffle to a small blender and puree smooth. A mixing bowl and whisk can also be used to combine the ingredients well. Place 1/4 of the batter at a time into the mini waffle maker and cook for 3 to 4 minutes each until done. For the topping, 3 ounces cream cheese, softened, 3 tablespoons heavy whipping cream, and 3 tablespoons Swerve confectioners sugar substitute. Blend the ingredients for the topping together until smooth. Place the topping on each chaffle and serve individually or stacked on top of each other and cut into fourths. Recipe is keto-friendly.